welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today I am back with another wig review. This wig is kind of like an oldie, but I wanted to try like a cute little curly short bob hairstyle, and you know, hopefully this will be it. So if you want to know my thoughts, you know, let's just jump into it. So the wig that I have is the Wig Factory deep part with ear-to-ear soft Swiss lace. This is the cap. I have this in a number 2. The style is LD-Mary. And this is the natural in the picture. This right here is the parting. Very natural part. The part is like A1. It's like, it doesn't even look like a wig, you know. As you can see, this wig is very, very shiny. I put baby powder in this wig and it's still shiny, so I might have to do a wig update for this wig and, you know, and let you guys know if it's still shiny, because I plan on going out and buying some dry shampoo to see if that's gonna work, because I really love the wig. The only problem is it's so shiny. Like, no, too shiny. So this is how it looks. So that's the 360 of the wig. Shedding. I did take out a lot of hair out the part to widen it up. So yeah, I have quite a bit of hair. So I pretty much, I'm not really shedding at the moment. I'm shedding just a little bit, but that could be because I took a lot of hair out this part. I add my powder. I did MAC Studio Fix NW50. I put that in my part area and it blends in good. It like melts. This looks really, really good. Besides this hair being shiny, like it's a perfect bob. I'm gonna have to kind of like bobby pin this to make these curls, to tame them, because as you can see, they have their own mind, their own brain. So let's see, what else am I missing? Oh, the cap size. The cap size is very snug. To me, it seems like it stretches. So that is a plus. It comes with the normal combs. Oh yeah, I showed you guys that. Let's see, what else? The length. This appears to be probably like 10 inches or 11 if it was straightened. It doesn't say anything about if you can straighten it or not, so I'm not going to say that it's recommended, but it's a curly hair. And pardon me if I can't talk right, because I just bit my tongue eating. I eat fast, so yeah, I just bit the hell out of my tongue. You can see that. Also, let's see, the hair texture. To me, the hair texture is it's a very silky type texture. It's not like doll hair, but it's very silky. The only con, like I mentioned, is that it's very curly. So if you are going to plan on purchasing this wig, just keep that in mind, that this is a very shiny hair unit. I did do baby powder, and I don't know, it seems like it's just going to be that type of wig where it's just going to be shiny. So I'm not sure if I'm happy about that. So I'm not sure if I'm going to recommend this to anybody, because people don't want their hair to be so shiny. And let me just take this out, because it's just doing what it wants to do. Let me just do that. Okay, we can't do that. So I'm not going to recommend this hair, but because I really want to return this, but I just cut the lace off, so I'm going to just deal with it. So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing this wig, I did buy it from Elevate Styles. The shipping is okay. It didn't really come that fast to me. I think it was shipped 2 days or a day later, and it took about 2 days to come. so I'm not really used to that. So other than that, besides the shininess to the wig, that's my only con. I just wish it wasn't so shiny. This would have been a perfect bob for me. So I guess I gotta continue my search for a nice bob. But I will go out and purchase some dry shampoo and come back with a wig update, you know, just in case you guys want to purchase this wig. It was $29, I believe. So if you guys are interested in seeing the wig, it's on Elevate Styles. And thanks so much for watching. If you want to see any more of my reviews, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and you'll be notified. Thanks again, guys. Bye.